Hi guys, so I'm watching the press briefing of MK Party, ne? And there's quite a few things that I picked up that I want to play for you guys. So first of all, what they've announced is that Duduzile Zuma has resigned as the MP. She has not resigned as the member of MK. She has not. She's not suspended. She's not pending any investigation, as she should, because it's like bringing the organization into kind of disrepute with all this thing. They've mentioned yokuthi bona they are not part of this. So they are not part of this. So my question is, why call a press briefing? Why call a press briefing under your banner? You should have just released a statement. The effort of calling a press briefing to explain when you are not part of this, but you're going to support the families, wara, you're going to support Tutu. They even say we're going to support Tutu, whatever she needs. So Tutu is not reprimanded for doing something wrong. But instead, we're going to support. I'm going to play you guys a few clips. I actually want to play the one of Landos. So the full leadership of Umkhonto was there. They were there like they are addressing Indaba Yomkhonto, or they are saying they are not involved. I don't understand that. You don't call a press briefing for something that you are not involved in. They should have just released a statement and said we distance ourselves. Simple. So, yeah, listen to this. You tell me what you guys think. Listen to this. And also the Duduzile resigning from parliament, is it temporal? Because I mean, in parliament you can step down today and then next month you can come back again. It's not forever. Also, there's no disciplinary, nothing.
And that's why officials said the organization will give her all the support to uncover the truth and safely return this South African back to South Africa. So from where the organization is, the matter ends with the organization clarifying its position and Comrade Dudu cooperating with all institutions that are investigating the matter. And unfortunately, she has voluntarily herself, without being called by police, submitted a sworn statement on the account of what happened. And it's true, Chair, families have contacted the leadership of Umkhonto Wesizwe. And as a result, the leadership will now, wiser after having received a full detailed report from Comrade Dudu, meet the families to explain and help them in all the processes that will lead to their family members coming back to South Africa.